This video I'll be showing you how to connect your Facebook business page with your Instagram account. Now you don't want to how do I put it? You don't want to put in too much effort in Instagram and then come onto Facebook and start copying and pasting. Or you could just post once on your Instagram and it appears on your Facebook business page. Now Facebook and Instagram are synchronized, owned by the same person, so they allow you to enter posts. You can post one, you can make one post on Instagram and it appears on your Facebook. As long as you've connected these accounts together, it allows you to do that easily. But first, on your Instagram page, you must convert your Instagram page to a business page or a creator's page, and then you can add your business account, your Facebook business account, to your Instagram business page. If your Instagram account is on private, you're not able to do this, or if it's on personal or something, you're not able to do this. But if it's on creator's account or business page, a business account on Instagram, you can connect your Facebook business page easily to your Instagram, and then when you're cross posting, you easily post one time on Instagram and it appears on your Facebook with a little tweak here and there. Yes, I'm going to show you how to connect this. So we'll click on, this is my home page again. Then we'll click on settings on the left hand side. Most of the things you need to do on your Facebook business account it's in settings. You go to the settings buttons and then you tweak and you change certain things. And whatever you cannot find, go and search on Google and ask questions. A lot of people have created different tutorials on how to walk around Facebook rather. If you have any specific need and which is not being shown to you on this training, you can Google them and find out how to walk around it. So let's go back to the training. On your left hand side, you see new page experience, notifications, and linked accounts. So you're going to be clicking on linked account. Linked account, you want to connect your Instagram to your Facebook. My Instagram has been connected to a Facebook business page already, but I'm just doing this for demonstrational purpose. On this part also, you want to connect your WhatsApp number. Now, if you have a WhatsApp number, you can easily connect them here. Okay, so I want to connect my Instagram account, and this is my account, and you click on this. You click on connect, then Instagram message settings, and then you confirm. So when you are doing this, you just follow this process and confirm your account. But I'm not going to do this because I don't want this connected to my Instagram, because it's a dummy account I created for the sake of these tutorials. And the same thing applies to your WhatsApp. Go in and put in your WhatsApp number and you're all set up for business, and people can connect with you easily on WhatsApp, and that's all you need. Okay, so that has been us to the end of this video, and the next video, I'll see you in the next video rather. And I hope you've enjoyed the training so far, and let me know if you have any questions, any particular questions that have not been touched. Let me know by messaging, and then who would answer those questions. All right, see you.